Introduction. Hello children, my name is Sam. I live in a zoo with all my friends. You see, all my friends have different shapes and sizes. You can tell the difference by comparing two or more of us. Today we will learn the comparison words used. Come on, join me. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to list the various comparison words, give examples using the comparison words. When the two objects are not of same size, we compare them. I am longer than he is. I am shorter than him. I am taller than the horse. I am shorter than the giraffe. I am big. I am small. I have a thick trunk. I have thin trunk. I am standing on the top of the hill. I am at the bottom of the hill. Birds are sitting on the tree. Squirrels are playing under the tree. The lion is sleeping inside the cave. The mouse is waiting outside the cave. I am flying above the trees. I am swimming below water. Our mother is swimming before us. My kids are swimming after me. I am standing between two giraffes. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. The comparison words are longer, shorter, taller, shorter, bigger, smaller, thicker, thinner, heavier, lighter, top, bottom, on, under, inside, outside, above, below, nearer, farther, before, after, and between.
Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe KWT Education.